Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone. And this is John's equipment from Arizona, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool cordless telephone. Now, people really like these type of units. They want to have them repaired. And so we have a note with this unit, and John's talking about that the people he talks to on this unit cannot hear him. So basically there's a transmit issue, and we want to troubleshoot the handset. So we will be troubleshooting the main PC boards to the handset, and we want to go ahead and give you a look at that main PC board if you've never seen the inside of one of these units. For the handset, that gives you a look at the PC board. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair of this General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this pickup in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And so there's an issue because this is a cordless telephone, and the handset and base unit interchange frequencies. And those frequencies can interfere with an open amplifier because open amplifiers are prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. And I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. It is pretty quiet today, but what I'll do is show that interference on our final checkout. Now what we want to do is use our analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Now what we want to do is go ahead and show the interference. And that's the interference, the radio frequency, the RF power that can disturb an open amplifier. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we'll call a time and temp number. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. and we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, just stay on the line. Today is Monday, August 3rd. The current time, 7:48 p.m. and the temperature, 75 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We'll call one other number. We'll call my number, and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool General Electric 6.0 27909 cordless telephone has been repaired, we can return this unit back to John and they can enjoy this cordless telephone once again. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.